In life, business, sports, people are always looking out for the advantage, always looking out for that one thing that gives them the leverage. Imagine that God gives you the advantage. Discover the advantage in life today. Let's hurry and study our Rhapsody of Realities today. Did you know that Rhapsody of Realities is also in audio? You can download the Rhapsody Realities app today and get Rhapsody Realities in audio version and share it with your friends, share it with others. Also join me and become a partner with Rhapsody Realities today. The details are right there on your screen. Click right now and come to this beautiful world of partnership with God, partnership with Rhapsody Realities. This is Rhapsody Clicks. You're having a fantastic day. I love you. God bless you.